we have a really hard time in this industry and in the trades in general, finding young, motivated people who have experience. So you have to be willing to take on that younger person who might not have any real world field experience, but has been in the industry for a little bit of time, and train them. Or take on that person who's never been in this industry before. They could be coming from the automotive industry and have that service experience, that troubleshooting experience, but they have no experience in HVAC. SkillMill and Interplay gives us the ability to hire on someone who doesn't have HVAC experience, give them training that we know works, and send them out in the field knowing they have some of that background, and then they can test it in the real world with on-the-job training. So Interplay and SkillMill really gives us the backup to be able to hire on people to help us fill that skills gap.